Welcome to the Node.js series. This video is all about events. From building real-time applications to understanding request and response cycle, this concept implements event under the hood. To give an example, let's assume you have a radio station that broadcasts a message in the form of signal. And on the other hand, you will have a receiver that is listening to such a signal that has been emitted by the radio station or broadcasted by the radio station. So this is the underlying infrastructure of understanding events. Now, to implement events, we have a class called EventEmitter. This EventEmitter comes with a series of methods that we can use to carry on such an operation or task. So now let us dive into the coding aspect or the implementation of events. So now I will create a file, and this will be called events, E-V-E-N-T-S, or event. And this is a JS file. So to define our emitter class, we will say const emitter event, E-V-E-N-T, emitter, E-M-R-T-T-E-R, and here we will require E-Q-U-R-R-E, and this will be events, E-V-E-N-T-S, events. So yeah, you will notice something different. This is with the EventEmitter class. So to indicate or show that this is a class, you will see that the name starts from, it starts with a capital letter. So this demonstrates that it is a class. So in this class, we have series of functions. So now, let us create an object from the EventEmitter class. So now we can say const and my event, E-V-E-N, or my emitter, M-R-T-T-E-R. You can give this whatever name because I'm creating an object from the EventEmitter class. So this will be new E-V-E event emitter, and this is how we create a class So I will give let us say a comment. So here we can say create creating class, emitter class, R-T-T-E-R class, and here we will also say creating emitter my E-M-R-T-T-E-R emitter object. So now after we create the object, we need to emit, because for the example we gave with the radio station, we said that the radio station is going to emit or send out a message. So in that case, we can emit by using my emitter.emit, M-R-E-M-R-T, emit. And for emit takes in two arguments, and that will be the name of our events. So for here we can say message, M-E-S-S-A-G-E, and next will be maybe the message we want to pass in. So for that, I can come here and say M-E-S-S-A-G-E, and then write in, probably we can say hello world, H-E-L-L-O, hello world. So now we have emitted or listed. Let me have a comment also here. So this will be emitting, E-M-R-T, emitting or emit message, M-E-S-S-A-G-E, emit message. So after we emit message, we need to register or listen for the message that is coming in. So for that, we have a method called on. So here we can say error EGRSTER register the event VENT. So here will be my emitter dot on. So this is how we listen to event. So in here we will pass in the name of the event. The same name that we are emitting should be the same name passed in here. So we have MESSAGE message, and next will be a function. So here we can say data, DATA, or data. So this data will be the message that will be passed in here will eventually pass into this data, and this can be our arrow function. Okay, we can console log whatever result that will be emitted. So here we will say console.log. Yeah. Okay, let me have a template screen. Okay, so message, ESSAGE message, and here we will pass in the message that we are going to get after the message has been emitted. So we can say data dot message. So if we save this and go to our console and run our server, so NODEMON, nodemon EVENT, even, and enter, we can see below in our console message, and the message that has been passed is hello world. So this is how we implement EventEmitter or events in Node. So there are a series of functions that you can try to explore in the documentations. In fact, there are dozens of them. But for this video, let's see what are some of the different ones that the emitter class have. So we also have, let's assume you want to create a listener that will listen once. Instead of listening throughout the applications, it's going to listen once. So for that, we can say my emitter.once once. And the same thing we can have in here, the event name, EVENT, NAME, event name, and also you can have the listener here, LISTENER listeners. So this is how we will implement a single listener if we want to register a single listener. So for example, you are building a chat applications and a person needs to join a group once or register to a group once. You don't have to always register such a user or such a user. So that for that scenario, we can have the once method. Another one is if we want to probably, let's assume we want to remove the events from a specific emitter. So for that, we can say my emitter and then off. If we want to remove, we say off and then pass in the name of the event. So event name, the same thing, EVENT, event names, as well as the listener, LIS, as well as the listener. So, and if we also want to remove from all of the events, we can say my emitter dot remove all listeners. So this is how we remove all listener and then also pass in the event name as well as event names. Yeah. So this is how we implement event in Node.js. So we will be seeing even in depth when we move on to the socket.io. We will look at EventEmitter and the on meta as well. So with this and more, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.